If you are a new YouTuber or you are a small YouTuber, this very video is for you. The reason why I said this video is for you is because of the things that I am going to talk about on this video. So you do yourself well by watching this video from beginning to the end so that you won't miss out on this secret I want to reveal to you. Remember, I told you that I have not been getting views, that my channel seems to be stagnant. All this while, I never knew why it has been like that. But now that I have re-strategized, I am beginning to notice and find out the reasons why my channel have been stagnant, and one of that reason is what I am going to talk about here on this video. Subsequently, I will talk about the other reasons. Okay, now, you as a new YouTuber, every big YouTuber out there is just on you. You are the target of every big YouTuber. Everything they say, every video they make on this YouTube is just all about you. When you go to their description, you go to their tag, what you will see is new YouTuber, small YouTuber, how to grow on YouTube, how to go viral, those looking to go viral, those looking to understand how YouTube works, those who wants to, get their first 1,000 subscribers, those who want to get 4,000 watch hours, this, that. Everything about a big YouTuber out there is just you. Starting from their descriptions, even to their tags, is just you. And as such, many of them, dish out wrong information just to get views. Many of them dish out half-baked information, uncooked information, unanalyzed information, in fact, epileptic information. That is what many of them dish out there. You are now, their targets. They just want to eat you raw. But you just have to be very careful. You just have to be careful with the information you get here. You just have to be careful with the things you apply on your channel. Now let me tell you one thing. Remember I told you that my channel have been a kind of stagnant. And the reason is this. I got an information that once you upload your video, just go immediately and switch your account and watch that video, so that the algorithm will know that something is happening on your channel and all that. My dear, that information is totally wrong. It's totally wrong. What are you doing when you upload your first video and you now switch accounts and now watch the video? What are you doing? You are probably saying, YouTube algorithm, I don't need your help. You don't know what you are doing. I can help myself. I don't need your recommendation. That is what you are saying. That is what you are doing. And remember, first impression matters. Foundation of everything matters. When you do that, you are laying a very wrong foundation for your channel. And that was what I did. As a new YouTuber, I don't know these things. I got this information and I applied it on my channel. And since then, my channel has been stagnant. You as a new YouTuber, once you upload your first video and upload your second, in fact, with your first video, second video, third video, the algorithm might not even know that you are existing. In fact, they will not know that you are existing. But subsequently, as you keep uploading, what you are doing as you are uploading is you are knocking. You are knocking at the door of the algorithm, telling them that, oh, somebody is here. I have come to stay. I want you to recognize me. So with your videos and your consistent posting, it will make them to know that yes, so a new person is here to stay, and this person is serious, because they know their work, they know what to do. But when you are switching accounts, watching your video, trying to, you think that you want to draw their attention. No, what you have just succeeded doing is laying a very wrong and bad foundation for that your channel. And before you can revive that, it will take you a whole lot. If care is not taken, that channel will just be there. That is just it. So I am trying my best to see if I can revive this channel. But if I can't, after my 1 month, daily post, if nothing happens, I will close it and start another channel. So switching account is totally wrong. Do not switch accounts. Allow YouTube to do their job. Do not help them. They know what they are doing. By the time you upload first, second, third, even your fourth video, they will start recommending your video. Their recommendation is best. That is the best for you. But when you are recommending, your video by yourself, my dear, they will be like this. They will fold their arms and keep watching and watch you. That is just it. So the information you get here is very, very important. Another big mistake, let me just say this, another big mistake I made was Restream.io. It was a very wrong step for a beginner, for someone like me. You bring like 5 seconds video, you loop it and all that. It is a very wrong foundation to a beginner. So you that want to start a channel, you that is a new YouTuber or a small YouTuber, be very, very careful. Watch out the information, the things you apply on your channel. Of us, immediately we get one information, off we run to our studio, and you begin to make some changes that you are not even sure of. Before you do that, please be very, very sure of that information. Be very, very sure of the changes you want to make on your studio. Be very, very sure of the things you are doing so as not to hurt your channel. I hope this video will help someone. If you have not subscribed to my channel and you have not turned on that notification bell, please subscribe to my channel and turn on that notification bell for subsequent videos like this. See you in my next tutorial. Bye for now.